Hello everyone and welcome back. We're gonna do a walkthrough of the property. Don't look at me like that.
It's like a walkthrough. This realtor
I know.
on the internet,
Formal terms.
it's called a home tour. We're gonna give you guys a home tour today
Of our home.
because by the time we actually move in, it'll look different because we're getting all this work done. Today is the second day already. Like day one, we got the keys. We had somebody come in already starting to paint.
Yeah.
So, you know, things are already starting to look different. So I said, babe, we should show everybody what it looks like before so that they can see what is different once it happens. So we're going to do that today. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so here we're in the home. This is the entryway where we can go upstairs, or there's a bathroom and the junior suite to the right, which I can go ahead and show you guys here. We're getting all of the rooms painted. This here is going to be my office slash the junior suite. Wow. Yeah, right? How does it look?
It looks great. Guys, and look what's on the floor.
Should we paint the rest of the house?
I know, right?
It was not this color earlier. Go show them what color it was before.
So before, the rooms were this color. They were all this, like, more of a yellow hue color.
Like a yellow beige.
Yeah, yellow beige. And coming into here is our kitchen. So still getting this area done here, and we already did the beige that we chose back here, and we picked a different color back here as well. This is our backyard. We have some palm trees, and we need some work to do here. So this is gonna be a work in progress. All right, going up the stairs, we're gonna make this room the playroom. Here has a nice little bay window. We are gonna replace the carpeting here. Let's see, we have our wash and dryer room, the kids room here, our bath, and then our room is the master over here. All right, what do you think, Zay?
I like this room.
You like this closet? So for now, we're gonna be painting at least the bedrooms, the family room and kitchen, and gonna be doing a few other things. We're gonna go ahead and pop back in probably every other couple days to kind of show the progress as things are kind of coming along. We're hoping this can get done in like 2 weeks, crossing our fingers. All right guys, day 6 since we got the keys to our home.
And guess what? I'm getting a haircut today.
I just got my food, so I don't need this anymore.
Yeah. All of this will be gone today. Well, I'm not getting like a really short haircut. When I get a haircut, it just means like
a trim.
A trim.
And it still takes like 2 hours.
I have a lot of hair.
But we are on the way.
When you're gone, it takes an hour and a half.
That's true. Okay, fine.
We have breakfast. We're trying out some places closer to where we are going to live. We got this one spot. It's one of those like drive up. Oh my gosh, she has smoothie all over her face. It's one of those like drive up coffee places, like in a little like kiosk-y thing.
Off the freeway.
Vietnamese iced coffee. That is amazing. So we're waiting for somebody to come who's going to be painting our kitchen cabinets. That's why we're at the new house again today. Because you're super small. Whoa. Where are you going?
Follow me.
Follow you, okay. Where are we going? You didn't even tell him. Okay, so now we're in the house now and going on a home tour with Zalia. To where? What's this room gonna be, Leah?
Our playroom.
That is correct.
There's no hole anymore.
And there's no hole anymore. Where was there a hole? Wow, you remember everything.
And look, put it in a coin thing.
And you found a coin thing. Yeah. So what is done already?
So far, basically the whole house has been painted, aside from the bathrooms and the laundry room. So future projects probably.
So somebody's coming right now to paint our cabinets. So let's show you the before. But, oh, actually, hold on. What I wanted to say, I forgot. I recorded earlier and I didn't have the mic, so I'm just gonna say it now. Look at this color, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm obsessed with this color. It's called Accessible Gray by Sherman? Mm-hmm. No, Sherwin.
Sherwin Williams.
Sherwin Williams. Sherman is P. Sherman Wallaby Way, Sydney from Finding Nemo. But it's called Accessible Gray, and I love it. I love, love, love it. And then now we're gonna paint the kitchen Dover White. Oh, goodbye 2004 cabinet colors. Supposedly, you know, this was the in color back then, but that was almost 2 decades
Even
ago.
the backsplash too.
Yeah, even the backsplash. I noticed that a lot of houses built in that time have this like really dark granite, and I never noticed, oh!
Jarek.
I never noticed dark granite until we bought this house. Alrighty! It's been a minute.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. Like if you're still watching the vlog, this is still the what do we call it? This is like our home.
We're moving in. This is the move-in weekend.
This vlog is the moving vlog, or like our new home vlog, where we've been sharing all the updates. Right? We're basically gonna end it here because today is the second day of us moving. There was no point in vlogging that because it's a really stressful thing, right? But Jonathan and I are here. Jarek is sleeping. Look, we have a new dining table. Hey! It's wonderful.
It is.
This is great. It's quiet because the girls are sleeping over at my mom's so that we can finish packing. We have a lot to do still. We had movers today who helped us with all the furniture, all the big stuff, the heavy stuff. And then tomorrow we have Hello boxes. We're still packing up our kitchen. And we're doing that with our friends tomorrow. And you know, it's all happening.
My birthday's this coming
John's
week.
birthday's coming up, so all the things. You know, if you are new to our channel, thank you so much for watching. But we're gonna end the vlog here.
If you want to see more.
If you want to see more of the house, I think at this point, what's done? The paint is done. See this new paint color? I think we already showed that. The floors, I think that.
Oh yeah, that's new.
That's new.
The carpeting's new.
Carpeting is new. And the kitchen, we'll be showing that in the next vlog. So be sure to hit that notification, like, subscribe. Watch out for that next vlog. We'll show you the updates later. But
very
for now...
YouTubey.
Huh?
You're doing a great job being very YouTubey. Like, subscribe, turn on your notifications.
It's been a long time since I've vlogged and it's quiet, so I can actually think about what I'm saying. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.